I'm worried about this English language. How can I learn this language on my own? What to do to learn this language? And is there any exact method for learning this language? So, this type of questions arise not only in your mind but also in my mind. So, friends, I have been learning this language for last 3 months and I have a lot of experience related with the related about this language, so I can say it confidently and for sure that there is no exact method and there is no any shortcut way to learn this language. For learning this language, we have to be patient. We need to be patient. We have to obsess ourselves with this language. So, for that, one most important thing, we need to be confident and believe in ourselves so that we can learn English gradually. If we don't have confidence and if we don't have belief in ourselves, then how is it possible, how it is possible to learn this language? अगर हमें खुद पर ही विश्वास नहीं होगा तो हम कोई भी चीज़ नहीं सीख सकते। अगर हमारे माइंड में हमेशा यही बात चलता रहे कि आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, आई कैन नॉट डू इट, तो हम कुछ भी नहीं सीख सकते। दैट्स वाई वी नीड टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड बिलीव इन आवरसेल्फ। सो फ्रेंड्स, for learning this language, we need to do four things. We need to do four things, and we can say those are compulsory, necessary, and those are writing, listening, reading, and speaking practice. And speaking practice is the most powerful practice rather than three other practices. So we should focus on speaking practice more than three other practices. As an English learner, as an English lover, I can say it confidently that English is a interesting language. If we try to learn it, then it will become easy slowly. But if we think that it is hard, we cannot learn it, then we can never learn it. So, if we want to learn this language, then at first we have to obsess ourselves with English, and we have to infatuate us with the English language at first, so that we will learn this language gradually. Obviously, English is a tough language, but it's not a rocket science, and it's not a piece of cake also. But if we try to learn it, then we will be fluent one day. So, friends, listening, reading, speaking, and writing are most important for learning this language. From according to my experience, I can say that watching English videos with subtitles and speaking practices are helping me to improve my English speaking skills. So we should speak as much as possible. You are my friend, then I can suggest you, I can tell you one thing, that if you are worrying about your pronunciation, then you have to do just one thing. You have to do shadowing or imitation, or one most important thing that if you suppose you don't know the word infatuated, then you have to input, you have to type it on Google Translate. After that you have to press on speaker button, and then it will pronounce uh, it will pronounce on its own voice, and it is the correct pronunciation of that word. This way you can learn the pronunciation of any words. So if you are worrying about your sentence, that is my sentence correct or not, then you have to type on ChatGPT and you have to tell it that I am going to write a sentence. Is that right or wrong? Then it will correct your wrong sentence. It will correct your sentence, and this way you can improve your sentence. So these are most effective way to improve English speaking skills. Do you think these are effective way or not? Please leave a comment. Friend, I am a learner just like you, and I think all of you my friend. That's why I am sharing you this information with you. So friends, I don't know too much, but how much I know, I am trying to share with you. ChatGPT is really a life-changing app if you are a learner. So you must use ChatGPT. And there is one more app which can speak with you just like your English speaking partner. Do you want to know the app name? Please tell me in the comment section if you want to know that app name, that app's name. Okay, so that I'll make one more video for you. My daughter is crying. I don't know, she cries repeatedly with no reason. So I'm worrying about her. Why does she cry repeatedly? She distracts me all the time. Whenever I try to learn something, whenever I try to speak to someone, she always here to disturb me. So I have come to the field for record video. So friends, आप लोगों को मेरी बातों का बुरा लगे तो प्लीज़ माफ़ करना। बस मैं भी लर्नर हूँ, और मैं बहुत ही साधारण सी लर्नर हूँ, और मैं जस्ट जो जानती हूँ आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। अगर मैं लर्नर के हिसाब से कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल गई हूँ तो प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी। बाय।